guys, welcome back to my channel Glam Girl. So for the first face mask we need 1 teaspoon coffee. Coffee helps in cellulite reduction, anti-aging, antioxidant and also helps to remove dark circle and tan, and it also gives a glowing effect. Then we need all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is a great vitamin and boost our collagen production. It also helps to rid of acne, spot, etc. Then we need rose water, few drops. Rose water maintains our pH level, control excess oil, get rid of acne, etc. Then we need water. You can also use milk here, raw milk. I am using plain water. Then we need honey. Half teaspoon of honey. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Then we will mix it well and apply it all over our face. Then I will wash off with plain water, and after washing off with plain water it will something look like this. The second face mask we need 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of coffee. We will mix it well until it changes the color to light brown. Then we will apply it all over our face. After applying it will something look like this. Then I will wash it off with plain water. After washing off with plain water it will something look like this. I have washed my face off camera. So yeah, this was all about today's video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.